Up until now, we've had GEO reports, but those are just a snapshot in time. Without time series reporting, it's really hard to understand how your content changes are actually moving the needle on your citation and mention rates. GEO monitoring solves that. To get started, head to the Insights tab in Gradial. First, add your brand's name and web domain. Then you can add prompts one by one, assign a topic, and even attach personas you've already built in Gradial. Or use our bulk import feature. Drop in a pre-populated Excel file and all your prompts are loaded at once. We recommend at least 20 prompts to get meaningful data. Once your prompts are saved, head to the Providers tab to choose which AI models you want to run your prompts against. Hit Run Monitoring and Gradial queries every prompt across your tracked AI providers once every 24 hours. Here's a dashboard that's been running for about a week. At the top, you've got your overall citation rate and mention rate. Citation rate is when your cite is pulled as a source. Mention rate is when your brand name is referenced in the response. You can toggle between the two and see how each AI model is trending independently over time. Scrolling down, the leaderboard shows where you stand against your competitive set. National Park Service is currently first on citations and mentions. Below that, recommendations are broken into 3 buckets: content updates, new content, and dev optimizations, and you can execute them instantly. Hit Create Task, the task opens, and Gradial can execute it right away. So you're not just seeing a score, you're getting a clear action plan and the ability to act on it without leaving the dashboard. And the last piece, every single query is saved, so you can click into any prompt, pick any provider, and read the exact verbatim response the LLM gave. That full response view is what makes this actionable.